All right, guys, so I want to do a quick unbox review and setup on my new car TV mate. I don't want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. So this should allow us to do it to an HDMI. Check that out. So here's where you'll plug in the HDMI. And then if it uses a Type-C, literally just plug it in like this. And you can plug it into your vehicle now. Mine does have a USB, so we'll use this option. And then we'll hook this up to either like an iPad. You can hook this up to like a console. You can hook this up to just many things that have that HDMI. So let's go ahead and actually try it out.
Very simple setup, just plug and play, then you get that display.
All right, now I got it connected to the iPad. And as you can see, it just mirrors everything on here, which I thought was really, really cool. So let's actually put on something like YouTube. And then we'll go ahead and put on this first one right here. Make it full screen. And as you can see, it's displaying it on there exactly it does on the iPad. So very, very cool feature. Let's actually try a different one. Even if you wanted to do like TikTok, it'll mirror that on there for you. And as you can see TikTok on here. Very, very cool. And even if we do like Peacock, as you can see, it'll start mirroring exactly what I have on here on there. Very, very cool. If you guys do any gaming, I don't know if you want to have it as an extra screen for whatever reason, you're also able to do that. So you can see all the gaming shown right on there. This is from my iPhone now. So very, very cool. So if you're looking for an HDMI adapter for your car, definitely look into this one. I'm going to leave that link down below. Highly recommend.